So let's look at the most popular methods of making informed trading strategies and decisions. In the past videos, we have learned investing and trading are the most common approaches to participating in cryptocurrency markets. Although it doesn't stop you from earning in crypto as a salary on your regular day job, we need to understand to use these approaches learned to create more streams of income while you might be working on a full-time basis. So let's look at the most popular methods of making informed trading strategies and decisions. Technical analysis. Technical analysis is a common term that is prevalent across traditional and cryptocurrency markets. It is a study of time series based historical data. So if you plot it on a graph, then the y-axis will show you the price and the x-axis will show you the time duration. One of the most important elements of measurement is time or duration. So if you have seen any form of financial data before, you will see that it is represented in terms of open, high, low or close as the prices for the day, the prices for the hour and also for minutes. What was the highest price or what was the lowest price and at what price did that day's trading open and what price it closed at? This is what we mean by looking at the time series data. Hence, technical analysis is the study of time series data to draw repeatable patterns or catch trends in price movements in the specific cryptocurrency or digital asset that you're trading in. The original purpose of doing the study is to spot certain characteristics or patterns which are repetitive or may be repetitive in nature and have happened before in history. Trying to find out replicable patterns that might happen in the future and your trade and you can build the positions using the same. The second is news-based trading. This is about taking a position based on some announcement of a project. Certain regulators or institutions can come and announce something regarding the project which can impact the project. For example, the Federal Reserve announces that there will be a positive impact on the prices of the overall financial markets and hence it will impact the cryptocurrency market as well. You're trying to build a position that could benefit from this announcement by the Fed Reserve, which is particularly a regulator or a project. The whole idea is to react to new pieces of information recently received in the public domain. However, there is an important factor here that it requires a little bit of expertise to quantify the impact that it can have on the price. So while there is news that states that you can benefit from the announcement and the prices may go down or up or whatever direction, but you have to understand that just knowing that prices are going up is not sufficient. You also need to understand how much are the prices going to go up or how much are you going to benefit from it. Does it also require a little bit of expertise here or not? Third is the quantitative analysis or quantitative models. Statistical models based on data analytics is just about identifying the abnormal numbers or certain kinds of typical data regularities and structures that can be used to gain profits in the future. To simplify it further, I'll give you an example. If you find two cryptocurrencies that are similar but are severely mispriced with each other, one is priced very high and the other is priced very low, despite being of a similar nature, so you will try to identify, will both of these equally match or will, and how will they average out in the future? You try to develop models to identify such mispricings and then use them to make money. So this is using numbers and the data at the core and statistical level, as it's very basic to develop models that can help you make money on the ongoing basis. These can also be programmed. In earlier days, the statistical models of quantitative analysis were done in Excel sheets or pen and paper, so it doesn't have to really be computer programmed. But now let's move ahead to algorithms or algo trading. Similar to quants that use data science to evaluate micro factors, now you can use computer logic to define certain equations, certain proven methods from previous analyzed data, and also use computer programming and software to replicate the same and use that to execute your trade strategies. So you are trying to find patterns and make the computer also learn what you know and let them use it to create winning strategies and make insane profits for yourself and your investors. The last popular one in line we have is macro analysis or macro investing. This is the study of an entire sector or an entire industry wherein you have multiple positions into major players of that particular sector. For example, if you were bullish on decentralized finance, then you are not only developing an understanding but also having a strong research about the entire sector or types of investments as each separate project categories. Then you go on and build positions into major projects that are involved and are significant ones that are leading the market, etc. The whole idea is to, instead of pinpointing an individual project, you're trying to understand the entire sector or an entire type of business or industry that are similar of nature, and the business is going to outperform others. Then you build positions in most of them and create profitable trades for yourself. Most of these opportunities you will be able to access via CoinDCX trading platform only, and next sections will show you just that, specifically with the new DeFi projects. So we looked at different methods used mostly in trading. Although there is no single way of trading, it's a combination of all the skills and knowledge our trader puts in perspective before formulating a trading strategy and taking trading positions. We shall discuss algo-based trading and automated trading and how you can use CoinDCX API to start trading like a professional. We will cover automated trading and running trading strategies in our advanced programs in the future. If you are interested to learn more, leave us a comment and we shall bring a full workshop on the same in the future. For now, we will move on to setting up your API keys for authorized trades and data via APIs in case you are using a pro tool for algo trading. You can skip to the next section if you don't wish to set up your API keys for yourself at the moment.